Hello, today I'm in Toyota RAV4. In this video I'll show you how to activate cruise control. In the beginning, take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. To activate cruise control, simply press button on the right side. Now when cruise control is enabled, accelerate to desired speed and press set button. Now you can increase the speed by pressing plus button, decrease it by pressing minus, pause it by pressing cancel, and disable it again by pressing this button again. You can see that cruise control is enabled by this green icon right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.